more than 70 years, Commercial Diving Services have been working beneath the surface to keep Australian marine infrastructure moving. At CDS, commercial diving is more than just our business, it's our legacy. Based in New South Wales, we've built a reputation as one of Australia's most trusted underwater engineering and marine construction companies. Our team of qualified commercial divers, welders and marine specialists deliver end-to-end solutions, from inspections and remediation to complex underwater welding, dredging and structural repair projects. Every project is backed by our rigorous safety systems, detailed planning and open communication with our clients. Whether we're working on major infrastructure projects like gas terminals and ports or smaller local projects, we bring the same level of professionalism and precision to every job. For us, it's simple. Do it right, do it safely, and deliver lasting results. That's the CDS difference. To learn more about our capabilities or to work with us on your next project, visit us on our website or give us a call. CDS, commercial diving done right.